How to make and create circular logo on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com and log into your account, click on create a design and search for logo. Click on the first option, it will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll all the way down until you find circular logo right here. Now click on see all and choose a template, for example this one, and choose the color. Now you can edit the informations very easy and fast, as you can see. After you finish, click here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you later.